There's nothing like dipping tortilla chips into a fresh batch of salsa. This salsa is the recipe of a former coworker that we all couldn't wait to dig into on potluck days. I've only changed one ingredient for convenience sake, but it doesn't alter the taste. It's so delicious you'll be craving Sue's salsa just like the rest of us. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. You can choose the spice level you prefer by using a poblano pepper on the left for mild, jalapeno in the middle for medium heat, or like Sue's original, use half a habanero for a nice tingle. Mrs. Kringle goes straight for the tingle. If you do use habanero, make sure that you use food gloves because even with hand washing, the heat lingers. She used 2 large diced tomatoes, but I like to use 2 cans of no salt added diced tomatoes and chilies. In a large bowl, add your tomatoes, whether fresh or canned, 1 red onion diced, half a habanero or pepper of your choice, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, I used smoked salt, about half a teaspoon of fresh black pepper, and half a bunch of fresh chopped cilantro. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime, and most people could give this a toss and leave it at that. I don't like chunky salsa, which is why I'm thankful for my Immersion Blender. A few pulses, and it's a smoother consistency for chunkophobes like me. Give it a stir and taste to make sure to make any spice adjustments. Sue's salsa is great to have on hand for your Cinco de Mayo party or any time of year. We love to put it on everything from rice to eggs to tacos. It's super easy to make and customizable for those who prefer a little more or less heat. Keep the recipe on hand. Everyone will want it after they have some. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.